Hello everyone. My name is Ritesh Batre. I would like to share my feedback about the training journey. I have successfully completed my 45 days training with Evision TechnoServe, and I am very happy to share that I have been selected in QA CAD with a package of 2.66 LPA. First of all, I would like to sincerely thank to the entire Evision TechnoServe team for continuous support, guidance, and motivation throughout the training period. During this 45 days of training, I have successfully completed important IT infrastructure module include Networking Plus and CCNA, Virtualization, Windows Administration, and ITIL Fundamentals. The training was delivered in a very practical and real-time manner, which helped me understand core concept as well as real corporate working scenarios. Along with the technical training, eVision TechnoServe also provided completely interview preparation and placement support, including interview guidance, HR questions preparation, and confidence building sessions. Because of this structured training approach and strong placement support, I was able to clear my interview and get selected. And once again, I would like to thank eVision TechnoServe and the entire training team of eVision for helping me and building my skills and start my professional career.